Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the set of two 16 inches dumbbell, adjustable dumbbell actually, that this brand sent to me for the video. I gotta say that these ones are really awesome if you have a home gym. So if you have a home gym like the one that I have over here, these ones could be really convenient to have. Not only because they are 16 inches, they're kind of like a standard, they're Olympic, so meaning that you can put the bigger discs, the heavier discs, the bigger discs, the ones that actually are good quality discs, but also because they have a fantastic grip. If you go to the gym, like I want to say, like after some time of going to the gym, if you have something that is not with a good grip, you're gonna have those callus over here on your hands or something like that. I don't like to use gloves personally, so to me, having a good grip like this one, it is really, really good. And then this one's actually, let me show it to you on a close-up. So this is the grip that I was telling you about. This grip over here is really, really good. And not only that, it also comes right here. You will find that you can put the disc, and so once that you put the disc, you can secure the disc with this, which I think it is super, super good. Let's actually put some disc in one of them or two. I don't know, maybe one of them now. So I still gotta find more plates because I do have a curl bar over here just behind me. So I need to get better or actually bigger disc than this one. So that's gonna be one. Once that you put one of the disc, it just make sure that you put this one over here so it doesn't fall. And then this is gonna be the other. So that's it. Super easy. Now you have one of the dumbbells at least, and then you put the other one, and you can see how many other discs you can fit over here. So these are 10 pounds each. So I'm guessing that you can actually put, like, I want to say maybe, I think like 80 pounds total, or like probably 100 pounds total in each one of these ones, making them to be a really nice set of dumbbells. So these ones, I really like them. Both of them, you had a set of two, really good grip, 16 inches, and you can secure them with the O-rings on the sides. I like them. I do like them right here in my home gym. There's going to be a really good new addition to my home gym for sure. Thanks for watching. Recommended. See you soon.